Please, if anyone planning to come for Jamalabad, don't try in a rainy season. You can see the steps behind me. It's very slippery and it is almost not 45-degree angle. It is more than 60 or 80-degree angle, and the steps are too slippery because of the heavy. Over here, morning friends. Now we are getting down. Over there it was too difficult to carry joystick, everything. We have to sleep and walk over there, and we are getting down. You can see the steep high, and I will share some photos in Instagram, and it's my brother and it's my friend Rakesh who was behind the camera. You can see the beautiful view from here, from the top of the hill, all this way. And today it was a friendship day, so we planned to do something adventuring. This fort is called as Jamalabad Fort, which was built by Tipu Sultan. You can see the fog which is covered over there next to me. Next to the fog, you can see the city over there, Ujre. And this Sunday was awesome. Today, 8th of August 2019. It's rocking. One more adventure day. Love you. And I'm too tired. And some mad people over here. See, walking till here only it is too difficult. And they had written their love over there. VGKK. I was fully loaded with the jeans, rain pants, and my jacket, everything. Now see, you can see over here I had carried in my pant. I used it as a backpack over here like this. I couldn't walk because these things are uncomfortable to climb up. And just imagine, this is a huge cannon. With a pant I can't walk. How did Tipu and his soldier carry this cannon to the top of this mountain? Really awesome. And you can see this. It is not rusted. Look at the quality of metal. No rust on the top. Still laying on the water. Yeah. Chuck there. Wow. And you can see the mountain behind me. The rock over there. And this is totally fog. And the way I'm walking over here, it is so tough. And some places to